Welcome to MBBS Council. Let's see MBBS Council tips for parents and students. Candidates need to check their eligibility for Maharashtra state admissions before filling up the registration form. 4 steps for Maharashtra state online registration and form filling process. Let's see one by one. Fill registration form. Payment of fees through online payment gateway. Upload scanned documents. Take printout of registration form. After filling up the online registration form, candidate has to press the submit button, then only his or her form will be accepted provisionally. Candidates will treat as registered for the process after making the payment successful. Candidate should fill only one online registration form. He or she may carefully check and edit it if required before submitting the registration form. Once the registration form is submitted, it cannot be edited. Online registration process will be closed on 22nd October at 11:59 p.m. as per the server time. All the candidates are requested to complete online application registration at the earliest and should not wait till the last date. Want to learn all about the Maharashtra State Counselling? Check out the ebook now. Link is given in the description below. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.